Join me as I challenge myself to master the art of lucid dreaming using beginner techniques. Can I really control my dreams? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming and sharing essential techniques that every beginner should know. Many people struggle with achieving lucidity in their dreams, often feeling frustrated or confused about where to start. It's understandable, given the vast amount of misinformation and contradictory advice out there. But don't worry, we're about to break down the myths and get straight to the point. Essentially, lucid dreaming is all about becoming aware that you're dreaming while still asleep. It may sound simple, but trust me, it takes practice and dedication. For those who are new to this world, it can be overwhelming, with so many techniques and methods promising overnight success. But the truth is, there's no shortcut to mastering lucid dreaming. You need to be willing to put in the effort and be patient with your progress. One common myth is that lucid dreaming is only for the naturally gifted or those with a high level of self-awareness. But the reality is, anyone can learn to lucid dream with the right mindset and techniques. It's all about developing a consistent routine and making small changes to your daily habits. With persistence and the right guidance, you can unlock the doors to the world of lucid dreaming. Another misconception is that lucid dreaming is all about having crazy, exciting adventures in your dreams. While that's definitely a possibility, it's not the only benefit of lucid dreaming. In fact, many people use lucid dreaming as a tool for personal growth, overcoming fears and anxieties, and even improving their problem-solving skills. For those who are still unsure about where to start, don't worry. We've got you covered. In the next section, we'll dive into the essential techniques that will help you increase your self-awareness and take control of your dreams. In this section, you'll learn about various techniques such as reality checks, keeping a dream journal, and using mnemonic induction to help you understand how to enhance your dream awareness. Reality checks are simple actions you perform during the day to check if you're dreaming. This can be as simple as pinching yourself, looking at your hand to see if it's really there, or counting your fingers. The idea is to make reality checking a habit, so when you're dreaming, you'll do it automatically and realize that you're not in the real world. Keeping a dream journal is another powerful technique that can help you increase your self-awareness. By writing down your dreams as soon as you wake up, you can track patterns, identify recurring themes, and even recognize signs that you're dreaming. This will help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, both in your waking life and in your dreams. Mnemonic induction is a technique that involves visualizing yourself in different scenarios, such as flying or walking through walls, and then visualizing yourself becoming lucid in those scenarios. This can help you tap into your subconscious mind and become more aware of your dreams. One of the most effective techniques for beginners is reality checking. I remember when I first started, I would check my reflection in mirrors, windows, and even puddles to see if I was dreaming. It sounds silly, but it's an effective way to develop the habit of questioning your reality. And trust me, it's a game changer when you realize you're dreaming and can take control of the narrative. I've also had success with mnemonic induction. For me, it's all about creating a vivid mental image and then anchoring it to a specific emotion or sensation. For example, I'll visualize myself flying over a beautiful landscape, feeling the wind rushing past me, and then anchor that feeling to the sensation of my feet touching the ground. When I'm dreaming, I'll perform the same action, and the anchor helps me become lucid. Another story that comes to mind is when I used reality checking to overcome a recurring nightmare. I would have this recurring dream where I was being chased by a monster, and no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't escape. But one night, I decided to reality check during the dream, and when I looked at my hands, they started to fade away. I realized I was dreaming, took a deep breath, and faced the monster head-on. It was incredibly empowering, and from that day on, the nightmare never bothered me again. Let's recap the key techniques we've discussed: reality checks, keeping a dream journal, and mnemonic induction. These are the foundational tools you need to start your lucid dreaming journey. Remember, the key is to be consistent, patient, and persistent. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. It takes time and effort to develop the skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've learned something new to help you on your lucid dreaming journey. If you have any experiences or stories you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want more tips on enhancing your dream life, be sure to check out my other videos. Happy dreaming.